All right, so this video is about how to incorporate the Google Meet Grid View extension into a Google Meet. And I'm also going to touch briefly on the presenter mode in Google Meet, how to get into that and make sure that you're in it correctly. So for this video, the first thing I want to do is go off to the Chrome store, and I want to then search for, this is all in Chrome, the browser. I want to search for the Google Meet Grid View extension. This is it right here. And you just want to add that to Chrome. Go ahead and add it. And this is how you know that it's in your Chrome browser now. It appears right up here. And I have already set up a meeting to join. And if I get into this meeting, I just kind of want to show you how to use this extension. It's pretty easy, but it's always good to see it. And I actually have my daughter's baby dolls and Minnie Mouses around the house on two different computers to have some kind of an audience here. But you'll see the extension is right here, right? If I can even start highlighting it, is right here so that you can see it right here. And what you want to do is go ahead and click that thing. Now, if I had 18 kids in this right now, we would see it populate out like it's the Brady Bunch, right? But I only have 2 kids or 2 computers, so all we have right now are the 2 screens. But this is it running. And again, the more people, the smaller the square, and the more it's going to be spread out in grid view. If you click this, you will notice, or if you even just have your cursor over it, you'll notice that you've got 3 different options here. You have only show participants with the video, so you can get rid of anybody taking up space that might be on a telephone. Highlight the speakers. This is a nice function because if these audience members were able to talk, it would actually highlight who's talking in white around their square. It actually works pretty nice. I saw it earlier as we were testing this. And then you can also go ahead and include yourself in the grid if you want to do that. I think it's a pretty nice little extension. You know, I think that it would organize I've seen different ways. I know that you can come down here and you can go ahead and change the layout here. But I do think that this is a good extension to have for the classroom setting, to be able to see everybody in their own little square and to be able to kind of keep an eye on everybody and what's going on. The other thing that I wanted to show was the presenter view, or the presenter mode, and that is actually right down here. You can see present now. And when you click that, it gives you 2 options, one for your entire screen and one as a window. I generally would go with the entire screen, but it's totally up to you. And then you begin sharing that out. Now, right now, these 2 computers can see what's going on my screen. So if I were to have something like this up, which, you know, a PowerPoint, a slides presentation, whatever you have, then you can go down through it with the kids and they can kind of see it in, you know, real time in present mode. Now, to get out of that, you simply come over here and stop the presenting. And you can see that the option switched back to present now. So there you have it. That's both adding the grid view and utilizing it, and also how to just get into presenting and be sure that, you know, you have something open so that you're ready to go off to presenting something so that the kids know, or they see what's on your screen. So other than that, that's what I had for this video, and I hope that it helps.